This is In Color Hair Company. This is everything inside the bag. The wig is a 22-inch ginger color 30 hair. This is everything that came in. I love when they send me little gifts. They're so cute. Wig cap, head scarf, eyelashes, and clips. This is probably one of my favorite hair colors on my skin tone. Right here I'm just showing you the lace. They did pre-pluck it. I don't need to do too much, but I wanted to do a little bit of plucking just because I wanted dramatic baby hairs. I'm adding cream foundation to my wig cap so we can blend it a little bit more. This is the same color as my regular skin tone. And I also am putting it on the lace of the wig. So the lace arrived so perfect. I did not have to do too much plucking and I did not have to bleach it. So it's already done and made. So right here I'm just showing you how it looks and how blended and amazing it looks. It's time to cut off the tabs. So I'm just doing both sides and I'm also going to cut down the middle of the lace. To hold it down, I'm using the Got2b glue and the Eben lace front spray. So I definitely love my middle parts in my wigs. So I'm just adding a little bit of makeup, and it can be messy because you're gonna blend it all out. Separating the hair into four, and I'm going to moisturize it, add Curl La La product, and comb it through. Also using a diffuser to define the curls and to dry them. Now that's all done, it's time to cut my lace and start my dramatic baby hair. Everything came out great. I'm going to lay it flat a little bit to let it dry. And that's it, dolls. I really thank you for watching.